what I'm doing is I'm duplicating, make a clone of the site, which is this domain name. I finished that this website using the WordPress, using the DB theme in WordPress, and then but my client want to have a new domain name, and this is just empty domain name. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to move the contents, the cloning the website, the WordPress website to another one here. Okay, so what I did that I go to the plugins. I check that in the old website. I checked that what plugin it has. So I just copied it. I just installed that in the new. This is the old one. Okay, this is the old one. This is the new one. I copied it to the not copying in the install that plugins like same like this one here, right? Step by step, right? It takes some time, but it's fine. And then I also did that themes, the media, and as you see that in the media over here. I'm checking the media library, and what I did that each images I just download the file, and not this one. I only copied that. Do I need that one too? PDF maybe, yeah. And for the graphics here, so I use that the plugin which is this plugin. I'm gonna tell you the name later. I can download it, right? So I download the file, all the images like this one, and then I copied it here. So I just try to clone it manually, okay? So that's good. I use the DB theme, which is the from Elegant website, and I use this one is all the time. I strongly recommend that. Yeah, I paid some money for that, but it's worth, okay? And you'll save a lot of time for you. Oh yeah, I go to the DB theme option. That's the theme option here. So I go to the DB theme option. Right, and I checked all the I copied it manually, the setting, which is from the old site to the new site here. So what I did is so far, I have manually import that images, basic images, right? And import that, insert the plugins, and then I insert the DB, and that's it. Okay, and then next step is that it was very difficult to find out the duplicate. I tried to download it, the plugin kind of duplication, the plugin, and it's not easy. So I found that on YouTube here. What I did that I will go to the tools right here, right? Export, right? And then make sure all contents and download the export file, and you can get this XML file. Good, right? And then that's from the old website, right? So for the new website, cloning the old one, go to the tools, import, right? Of course. And WordPress run importer. Choose the file. So open it. When I click that one, and you can have I'm not going to click that one. Okay, you can have this setting before import. Let me try it, right? I already did that one here. You can get that setting before the import, right? When you click the upload the file, and you can get that, and make sure you got that your admin login here, download and import file attachment, and wait for about 1 minute, 2 minutes, right? And this is about 350 kilobits file. It will take about 2 minutes, okay? And after it's done, what I got all the pages with the website, which is here. I'm gonna go maybe contact something like that, right? I got the images with the and the so I'm gonna working on that to modifying it here, and but this is the basic import processing, cloning the processing from old websites based on the WordPress. And then you have a new domain name. You're gonna copying the old website to the new website. That's the processing here. It's easy to follow. Okay, thank you so much.